All right, good morning and welcome to your first day of math class. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what you are expected to do today. So when you log in, no matter which of the math courses you are logged into, you all will have an announcement. Feel free to go ahead and take a look at the welcome page. This just gives you a little bit of information about myself. And then you will see the math crash course video posted at the bottom. But you will always go to your announcements to see what you have assigned for the week. So click on the week of 9/16/19, and that is going to be our announcement. So just remember, you guys just completed your student orientation course. If you have outstanding items, you are still responsible for every single item that is covered in the SOC, and so you will have access to that material and you will be referred to it when or if ever needed. So today is Monday, and what you're going to be working on today is posted. So you have 3 assignments. You have hello, my name is, you have the personality test, and then you have the math course video in which you will write a reflection. So this is where you will go to find those items. You will go to your modules, and this will pull up all of the items that you will be assigned. In the course, I will advise you to not work ahead because I will be consistently adding things as I see fit to your course. So make sure that you're not working too far ahead. So you are going to see start here. This is your syllabus and resources. And for today, Monday, 9/16/19, I have placed the 3 items that you are responsible for submitting underneath today's date. So for the hello, my name is assignment, you're going to click on it. There is a short video of me giving you some instructions, so make sure you watch the video. Once you are done, you are required to create your own video to introduce yourself to me, and then you want to make sure that you go to submit assignment. You are going to browse, find your item, attach it, and then press submit assignment. Once you're done, you can click on the next button. It will bring you to your personality test assignment. So you're going to read your instructions. Go to that page by clicking here. You're going to take this test, and as the instructions tell you, you want to share your strength and weakness by copying them from the website and then pasting them into the, you will go to text entry. When you have copied, you can paste it here, and then you will press submit assignment. And then the third thing you have to do is your math crash video reflection. And so you're going to come to this page. This is the same math crash video that's on the welcome page, but you will come to this page and you will watch this video, and then you're going to provide at least 5 points from the video. Make sure that you use complete sentences and correct grammar. If these instructions are not followed, you will not receive complete credit. So these are the 3 items that are assigned for Monday, and you will submit those. When you're ready to submit your 5 points, you will go to submit assignment. Again, it's a text entry. You will type your responses here and then press submit assignment. So that's what you have scheduled for you to complete today, which is Monday, September the 16th. On tomorrow, you will go through the same process. You will log in, come to your announcement. This announcement will be updated on a daily basis. Just wanted to kind of gauge how you guys work this first week. So make sure that you come back here tomorrow and you're checking in every day with the announcement just to see if anything is updated. All right, so I want you guys to have a super fantastic first day of class.